But in this boat, I can see the winch easily from the helm. I know exactly what's going on with my ground tackle. Now, another thing in the interest of owner-operator, this is a power window here, right? So this is, you're less likely to stick your head out, but it allows you at the helm to have a nice cross breeze because you can open this window and that window and have nice fresh air coming all the way through your salon there. And the other thing is electrical switches. So here, if you can see this, do you see that our fuses and electrical panels are not hidden away in some closet below decks? They're right here, accessible, visible. And again, I can't tell you how many times I've played hide and seek trying to find an electrical panel on a yacht. These are right here. You know exactly what's going on with your boat.